Here I am on Eurocad on the 1 hour. This is PA, I believe number 11. This is back on December 23rd, right before Christmas holiday. I've taken a trade here, break-even trade here. It was a sell trade, but then it didn't go, so it came up, made higher highs. Well, past this guy didn't make higher highs like this, but it looked like a nice uptrend coming in, up, pull back up, and then we had this stall in the market right here, and then it came down nice and choppy, nice and choppy, nice and choppy. We had this big break on the hour right here. So I saw this as uptrend. Need some sellers coming in. Okay, here comes some sellers. Nice choppy sellers, making people think the sells are on. Support resistance sells on the lower time frame. And we had this big buyers coming in. The only thing I did right is caution session break hiding in here, because we actually took out Asia as we did that, so I needed to be cautious of that. So with that said, that's once I saw this nice push up, possibly a V formation on a lower time frame on my trading time frame. So this is my big boy 1 hour, and so that's what I'm looking at. So let's jump down to the 15 minutes. All right, down on the 15 minutes, pretty straightforward. We got this seller coming in, breaking these lows, great, pull back, break below, support resistance hold, great, sellers coming in, perfect, lower low, pull back. What happened? Okay, maybe my sells aren't working. Maybe we'll sell from here. Okay, nothing, push back, buyers coming in, challenging this guy. Is this my V formation or this my V formation? Full rest. This would be my full rest. I believe this would be my V formation, because this technically doesn't make a lower low right here. Just poke back in, probe, and we're back in the Asia session. But caution here I put because we're just dragging. So I went down to an even lower time frame, 5 minutes, and as this was rejecting back, I got in on the buy, but it put me up pretty high, and then it came down. I think actually this candle closed. Let me look. All right, here we are on my ultra precision 5 minute time frame. After the V, we're looking at test one on a little mini time frame, possibly test two-ish. It's just kind of ranging, but I got in on this candle as it was pushing up. Like, I thought that maybe this is test one, test two, and it's going. And as this actual test came back in, took me out because I had my stops too low, and the spread was high on this Eurcad. I have higher spread stuff with Owanda, but the spread took me out. I put my stops pretty tight. Or no, I'm sorry, spread did not take me out. I closed this trade. Let me make sure. It's probably doing a PA later on, 4 or 5 days later. So don't exactly remember if you closed or got stopped out. But anyways, this messed me up. Either I closed it because I didn't like how the strength was, but then as it came back and pushed up, I said, okay, that was just a fake. And I got people thinking the sells were still in. And so I got back in and wrote it up to the highs, to my target area. Target area was a little bit high. I knew to watch this area right here as it reacted a little bit. Wasn't too worried about this area. But then I was going for the highs. I was thinking that we had this fake back into Asia, so we could possibly break Asia to the north. So I set it a little bit higher, and got a nice 2.57 profit out of that, minus this 1 hour loss. So I was still in the green. And then, unfortunately, I saw this coming back and said, oh, this would be a nice trap area where sellers were to take it for, to maybe we needed more sellers coming in to take it for another high. And it was just real messy in here. And I got in, luckily, a quarter size, and it hit me stop loss. And I saw it looked like it was turning back again. I got in another quarter size, hit me stop loss. So basically, this was, I think I profited like 1 penny or something off of this, or $1. You know, that was almost pretty much break even. So man, it was a really good trade here, but these three, this one I'm not super bad about. This first entry, shouldn't have got so scared and closed it, but this these two were just kind of silly. Just should have took the profits. You know, it's getting, yeah, just later on in the day, and knowing that the markets are slowing down for the holiday, like I don't know what I was doing. So, yep, that's my trade for Eurocad.